Hi, my name is Jacob Bustillos. This video is for the Rexburg Family History Center patrons as a visual help on converting a VHS tape to a digital format. Now the program that is used is called the Roxio Easy VHS to DVD 3, located right here in the top right corner. Double click it, and then you're going to get prompted for these two options right here. But because we're going to be converting a VHS to a digital format, we want to do the record, edit, and save. Now, right here, just to get familiar with everything, you have your video name. This is the screen from the player. This will show you the media as it's being recorded, and then your record button. So before you begin, you'll want to put in the name, if you have one, of what the media is called. For this example, I'm converting a media from a Patreon. So what's going to happen is I would recommend clicking the record button on the software program before you actually push play on the VHS tape player. And the reason being is that the software needs a little bit of time. There's a little delay in when it tries to connect to one another. So I would recommend connecting and pushing play on the software itself first. That way it gives it time, and then you know it's recording. And then once you see that it is actually recording, you can press play on the player. So I've just pushed play. And right here in the bottom right is where it's going to start saying, and it starts incrementing the time. And that'll go for as long as there's media on there. And it begins. So it's going to play through the media all the way to the end until it's finished. And meanwhile, the recording will continue to go, and we'll go from that point. All right, so once you finish the recording, you will then want to push this arrow down here to export it. Then you'll be prompted with these different selections right here. You'll want to choose the computer. And in this section, you're going to want to save your file to whatever your USB or anything like that. You want to find it and locate it, whichever drive it's in. But I'm just going to put it on the desktop for now. It'll automatically save to that file path. You can adjust this to the quality that you need to. You can usually do best quality or the smallest fit or whatever you do so. This does, depending on where you set it up, it may increase the amount of space needed on your memory stick, depending on the quality. So we'll just put it right there for now. And then you click the export, and it'll begin to process it. Once that's done, you can see it right here, already starting to load on the desktop. Once that is finished, you are good to go, and you can be able to continue for another project if you need to.